your portal to English proficiency. Through narratives. Immerse yourself in captivating short narratives meticulously crafted to boost your English communication skills. Our stories are tailored for all levels, from beginners to advanced learners, ensuring an effective and thoroughly enjoyable learning journey. Mastering a language is an art form, and our goal is to transform you into a maestro. Engage, practice, and see your fluency soar. Highlight on special expressions. Each narrative features a unique collection of phrases and idioms, spotlighted and elucidated for your understanding. The power of stories. Stories have a unique ability to engage, educate, and enhance our linguistic abilities. They offer rich context that helps in retaining new vocabulary and expressions more effectively. And they're entertaining too. Subscribe today and embark on a learning adventure that transcends the conventional classroom environment.